How to fix screen flickering Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix screen flickering on Android. If your Android device is flickering constantly, then what you can do is, in order to fix it, first thing first, you can try restarting your device. So in order to restart your device, all you have to do is hold on to your side buttons and wait for your device to be restarted again. After you're done restarting your device, that might be able to fix the issue all at once. However, if that does not seem to be working out, then you can also try making some changes. So for that, open up your settings application, and after that go to display. Once you go to display, make sure that you've enabled adaptive brightness. Just go ahead and tap on adaptive brightness and toggle it on. After you've done that, this might also be able to fix the issue. Now, despite of doing all of these procedure, you're still unable to fix it, then you can also go ahead and check for software update. So you'll have to open up your settings, and here you need to go and locate whether you have any update required or not. After you're done updating your software, that might be able to fix the issue all at once. If you're still unable to fix it, then you can simply go ahead and wait for at least a couple of hours, and that might be able to fix the issue all at once. So that's basically how you can fix your screen flickering on Android. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.